In the world of artificial intelligence, the most noise isn't always made by the biggest players as it evolves rapidly. Meet ORCA 13B, a powerful AI model created by Microsoft that is gaining recognition in the AI community. Don't underestimate its small size, as ORCA 13B can compete with the bigger foundation models such as ChatGPT and GPT-4, showcasing its impressive capabilities. Take a deep dive into the mesmerizing world of ORCA 13B through this video. Discover its exceptional attributes, remarkable capabilities, and how it can revolutionize the future of AI. Prepare to be amazed by the game-changing capabilities of ORCA 13B, as it takes the AI world by storm with its state-of-the-art learning techniques and remarkable performance in benchmarks. Whether you're an AI enthusiast, a researcher, or simply intrigued by the latest advancements in the field, this comprehensive guide to ORCA 13B is bound to captivate your interest. One of the key factors behind the success of ORCA 13B is its progressive learning approach. It achieves this by analyzing various data from GPT-4, such as explanation traces, step-by-step thought processes, and complex instructions. Unlike conventional AI models that mainly imitate the style of LFMs, ORCA focuses on comprehending their reasoning process. ORCA utilizes explanation traces to comprehend the reasoning behind GPT-4's responses. This results in more precise and contextually appropriate answers, ultimately improving ORCA's overall performance. ChatGPT plays a vital role as a teacher's assistant in creating a supportive learning environment for ORCA. It guides and provides feedback to ORCA, enabling it to improve its learning process and comprehend complex instructions better. This teacher-student relationship is crucial to ORCA's ability to mimic the reasoning process of LFMs. ORCA has demonstrated exceptional capabilities in various benchmarks, particularly in complex zero-shot reasoning tests like Big Bench Hard, BBH, and AGEVAL. When compared to traditional state-of-the-art instruction-tuned models like Vicuña 13B, ORCA outperforms by over 100% and 42% respectively. These benchmarks are specifically designed to assess a model's capacity for complex decision-making and reasoning, making ORCA's accomplishments quite notable. In addition, ORCA has achieved parity with ChatGPT on the BBH benchmark, which is quite impressive considering the size difference between the two models. This proves that ORCA is capable of performing at the same level as larger models, despite being smaller in size. ORCA has demonstrated exceptional performance in professional and academic exams such as the SAT, LSAT, GRE, and GMAT. These exams evaluate various skill sets, such as critical thinking, problem-solving, and analytical reasoning. ORCA's ability to perform well in these exams showcases its impressive capabilities. ORCA is a remarkable AI model that stands out for its size. Although it is smaller than giants like ChatGPT, ORCA performs just as well. This breakthrough in technology shows that smaller teams can build powerful AI models, making AI development more accessible. ORCA's size has a direct impact on its efficiency and scalability. As a smaller model, it requires fewer computational resources for training and operation, making it a more sustainable and cost-effective option for AI development. Additionally, its compact size enables easy adaptation to various applications, enhancing its versatility and usefulness. The AI community is set to benefit from Microsoft's announcement that it will be releasing ORCA 13B as an open-source project in the near future. This move will provide users with the opportunity to explore ORCA, develop and train their own models, and contribute their own ideas and input to enhance ORCA's capabilities. By sharing ORCA as an open-source project, Microsoft is demonstrating its commitment to AI and its potential to revolutionize technology. Microsoft's decision to make ORCA open source is a positive move towards promoting transparency and collaboration within the AI community. By doing so, Microsoft is empowering individuals and smaller teams to contribute to the development of AI. This step is a major milestone towards democratizing AI and making it more accessible to a wider audience. The release of ORCA as an open-source project offers a great opportunity for users to learn from its successful AI model. By analyzing ORCA's development strategies and techniques, individuals can improve their own AI projects. This will result in better quality AI models and faster innovation in the field of AI. ORCA is now open source, which means users can add their own input and ideas to improve it. Microsoft is encouraging collaboration among users to harness the collective intelligence of the community and push the boundaries of what is possible in AI. As we explore the capabilities of ORCA 13B, we realize that this AI model is more than just a technological advancement. It has immense potential for practical uses in various fields, including academic research and business analytics. The possibilities are limitless. ORCA 13B is an AI-powered tool that can revolutionize academic research. It emulates the reasoning process of LFMs, making it an essential tool for researchers. For example, in the social sciences, ORCA can analyze intricate social phenomena and provide insightful explanations. Likewise, in the natural sciences, ORCA can help researchers comprehend complex natural processes by offering detailed explanations of these processes. If you enjoyed this video, remember to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so that you get all of our upcoming content. Thanks for watching.